Almost every game that you build is going to need an inventory system. And in this completely free course, you're going to build a complete drag and drop system in Godot from scratch. This entire course is split up into different phases. First, you're going to learn about resources, Godot's built-in way to store data. You'll see why they're perfect for items and inventories and set up your project to use them. Then you'll create your item script. Every item gets a name, a picture, a description, and a stack size. Once it's done, your items will show up right in front of the editor, ready to use. Next, you'll build the inventory itself, a list of slots that each track which item they're holding and how many. You'll wire up things like signals, so the UI always knows that when something changes. In phase 2, you'll write the real logic of the inventory. For example, adding items automatically should stack them. Removing items updates the count. If a stack is full, extras overflow into the next empty slot. Things like that. We'll also build a single slot component, a small piece of UI that shows one item. It displays the icon, the count, or nothing if the slot is empty. We'll build it once and reuse it everywhere. In phase 3, this is where things actually get a bit more fun and you'll actually see the results. You'll add a full drag and drop, click an item, drag it, drop it into another slot to swap or stack, and a little preview will follow your cursor the whole time. You'll build the full grid panel. Slots will spawn automatically based on how big your inventory is, and you can open and close it with a press key, a key press. Then you polish it. Add your own styled background, hover effects, and tooltips that show the item's name and description, or whatever else you'd like. By the end, it'll look and feel like a real game inventory. The very last phase, phase 4, you'll connect everything into your game world. Pick up items and they go straight into your inventory. We'll add testing, removing, stacking, and dragging to make sure it all works. And that's it. You've built a complete inventory system. It's clean, it's modular, and it scales very nicely. You can drop it into any project, add equipment, shops, or crafting on top. And the best part, this entire thing is completely free on my website. By the end, you'll know how to use resources for data, build auto-updating UI, drag and drop items, stack them, lay out grid inventory, and reuse the whole thing in any game that you make. The entire thing is 10 chapters, 4 phases, and one inventory system that is yours forever. You can also download the final project on my website completely for free again, so go check it out on codingquest.io.